Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I woke up like 30 minutes ago. I'm still super tired. It's on a weekend. I have to get up because I have to clean my house. It's in a mess. So I hope you enjoy this vlog with me. Get to spend the whole morning with me, and let's see how it goes. It's now 10 from 8:30. I want to just clean the house. Like everything is just a mess. I have unfolded clothes over here. There are some bonnets that I want to make. I have some orders, but I don't have the inventory, so I have to make them today. I also want to clean, maybe start by making my breakfast, clean the house, and do the normal stuff in a house. Don't mind my face. I haven't washed my face yet. I hope you enjoy the whole video. My world is faster and faster, the tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. Clothes, they are not a lot, but I just have to fold them and arrange them in my closet real quick. I don't know if you can hear the background noise, but sorry for that. Let me just do this real quick, then I'll go make my breakfast. I haven't even washed my face yet. Anyways. Out of control. Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover. I'm out of my head. Some days my feet has me frozen. I'm brave and I'm broken. My soul is wide open. Yes, yes, I'm in it. Right now, guys, I'm done with everything. Like, I've already packed my closet. I've arranged my closet. I've packed my clothes. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll just make breakfast. It's super cold outside, so I've had to close the doors, but I've left the windows open. Anyways, I'm going to make my breakfast right now and clean the house, clean the bathroom. Then from there, I'm going to start making my bonnets. So I hope you stay with me as I make them and maybe pack them. I'm not so sure if I'll pack them from here because I have to go to my mom's place. So anyways, I'll just carry you along with me as I do all that stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. So guys, I already have my tea cooking over here. Then here is where I'm going to cook my eggs from. Then I also have my groundnuts. My mom gave me some groundnuts from home, so I'm going to cook them all. Now I'm going to put my groundnuts on fire. As I'm roasting my groundnuts, I'm going to spread my bread using peanut butter. I don't like margarine, so I'm going to use peanut butter to spread my bread. Come along with me, let's do this. Multitasking is a bit tedious, but I have to do this. So I'm roasting my groundnuts right now. Like this is bad, so I'll check it out and just continue roasting the rest. So right here I'm preparing my salty water. This is just plain water with some salt. That's what I'm going to put on the groundnuts to give it that flavor. And you can hear the pop sounds from the groundnuts. Can you hear those? Yeah, those ones. So after it's done, I'm just going to pour. So I'll just continue turning the groundnuts around until each is salted. And yeah, I'll come back and show you the whole process. This is what I have, my roasted groundnuts. Right now I want to spread my bread, then have my breakfast. That's enough, so I'll keep these ones for later. This is what I'm going to have for breakfast. So I've already put my sugar on the tea. I put sugar while it's still on fire. So yeah, I'm just going to pour it in here. That I'm done taking my breakfast, I'm just going to rest for a bit. I know if I rest, then I start watching my movie, I'll get up at around noon, but that's fine, it's a weekend, so no hurry in Africa. So right now I'm just going to rest for a little bit as I watch my favorite movie on Netflix. The movie is called Redemption. It's super cute. It's a series, by the way. It's so entertaining, so that's what I'm going to be watching right now as I just lay back. Then after all the food has gone down, I'm going to start doing my dishes. Then after the dishes, I'll clean the house, the bathroom. Yeah, then after that is when I'll start making my bonnets to pack that order. Actually, I'm supposed to be delivering the order today. Tomorrow, I'm supposed to be delivering the order tomorrow, but I'm going to work on it today. I'm going to sew the bonnets today so that I get an easy time to deliver them tomorrow. right now I want to clean the house. First of all, I'll start with the bathroom. It's a bit dirty because ever since I moved into this house, I've been trying to wash it. There's the time I washed it and it wasn't so, like, it didn't come out that well because they, at the kwa hiyo bakuli ya choo, there's somehow rust, so and then there's these things that are so stubborn, they don't come out. It's grossing me out. But anyways, today I bought some detergents that will help me clean. Apart from the Harpic, I bought Vim yenye itanisaidia kusugua. I just hope the stains come out real good this time because me, you're trying and you don't like its condition. Anyways, let's just go ahead and clean. So to clean the toilet, I have Harpic and I'm going to be using this brush. And yesterday I bought this one. It's like a Vim but inaitwa Hari. It's a scouring powder, like somehow like Vim. So I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using steel wool to scrub the surfaces because brush haitoi vizuri. Then I have my gloves. These are a must have. I don't trust the toilet so I must put on my gloves, even though I'm the only one using the toilet, but I just have to put on the gloves for safety purposes, right? So let's go ahead and do this. I'll just leave the Harpic there to like off salt for some time. Then I'm just going to put this on top here so that at least guys, I'm done with everything right now. I'm super tired. I don't know, but I'm just so tired. But I've finished almost everything. I'm just remaining to go to bed, then make the bonnets. Woo, I've already cleaned my house, at least in a msichana because it wasn't that nice. So right now I'm just going to take a shower, then I'm going to come back and start sewing my bonnets. So yeah, I think I'll leave this vlog upper. I don't want it to be long. It's already long enough. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for staying to this point. Kindly subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Bye.